Cougar frequently area. Solo hiking not advised. Stay on paved trails. Oh my God, it's paved.
Emma, can you run this? Or Kate, Kayla? Be careful about this song. Do you hear the bees?
I can hear the bees. It's crazy. Bun don't care. Bunny.
Where the marmots at? Another one on the ridge. Little cutie pies.
They say they're disappearing because non-native coyotes are eating them, which is awful. Fucking coyotes.
Oh, there's their holes right there.
Yeah, well, did you see the hole by the trail? Dear, dear, stop, stop, stop. Get mom up here. Mom, mom, mom. Oh my God. Go.
I'm on this way. Go back again. We just rode a deer. Oh, we're up the mountain. Oh, there's another prairie dog.
Oh my God.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
I got a video of that.
Did you get that? I hope you did.
Good morning. Okay. Alright, good.
I think we might be leaving Marmotville, guys.